everyone. I, Mamuni Arya, welcome you to this session, Know Your Components and Machines. In this session, we will visit all the laboratory equipments and the machines. So let's go to the session. Go to the mechanical workshop building. Before going to start in the workshop laboratory, we have to obey some safety rules. So those are the workshop safety rules. This is lathe machine, where we are doing the turning type of job and cylindrical type of job only. We are doing here facing, turning, step turning and knurling type of operation. In here, we are putting our job in 3-0 type of job. Let's go to the other machine. Grinding machine, where we do the surface finish of the equipment. Surface finish, we will go for the surface grinding machine. So this is our surface grinding machine. We use this machine to drill the job. The holding device, bench vise, where the job holds the workpiece.
Now let's see some fitting equipments. This one is your hacksaw, hammer, steel rule, universal surface gauge, tri-square, file, vernier height gauge, gloves, apron. This one is your vernier caliper, and safety goggles, nose plier, slide wrench, and chipping hammer, cutting tools. This one is your cutting tools, and screwdriver, and conch and scriber.
This is universal milling machine. Here we are doing the gear cutting. You can say that this is a cutting machine also. This type of gear we can do. Machine. This is also a cutting machine, but this is good for groove cutting. This is drill machine. This is our drill bit, and this is the job, and this is the bench vise. We are called the job. Planer machine, and this is also a cutting machine. This is used for cut the slot.
This is welding section, and those are welding equipments. One is transformer, welding table, safety goggles, and apron, safety gloves, face sheet, electrode, chipping hammer.
Material testing lab. This is hardness testing machine. In this machine, we test the hardness of the material. Two-stage air compressor test strip. And this is impact testing machine. This is torsion testing machine. This is fatigue testing machine. We can test the fatigue of the material. Let's go to the ice engine now. Single cylinder 2-stroke petrol engine. So this is a test strip basically. This is a single cylinder 4-stroke petrol engine. This is also a test strip. This one is single cylinder 4-stroke diesel engine. This is also a test strip. When you are physically come to the college, you will do all the experiments. This is 4-cylinder 4-stroke petrol engine. This is also a test strip. This is a cooling system in automobile. This one is our radiator. Now let's move to the fluid mechanics and hydraulic machine lab. This is Francis turbine test strip. I think everybody know about the turbine. Turbine is a machine where we convert the hydraulic energy into electrical energy. This is gear pump. This is also a test strip. This one is Kaplan turbine. Test strip. This is a Pelton wheel turbine, and this is also test strip. This is a reciprocating pump. This is also a test strip. I think everybody know about what is pump. Pump is a machine where we convert the electrical energy to hydraulic energy. This is centrifugal pump. This is also a test strip. This is impact jet apparatus, where we can measure the flow rate of the water.
Now we will study more about the equipments. Normally tools are divided into 5 categories. One is your holding tools, second is your cutting tools, third is your finishing finishing tools, fourth is your measuring tools, and fifth is your striking tools. So first one is your holding equipment and holding tools. This one is your bench vise. Bench vise is to work holding device. In bench vise there are two jaws. One is your fixed jaw and another is your movable jaw. In two jaw the workpiece is holding two device. And second is your cutting tools. This is known as a hacksaw. Hacksaw is used to cut the material by hand. This one is your hacksaw frame and another is your hacksaw blade. Third one is your finishing instrument. This is known as a files. Files is divided into some category. One is your flat file and this one is your round file and this one is your triangular file. File is used for remove for material from a workpiece. This one is your marking or measuring instrument. This one is your vernier caliper. Vernier caliper is used for measure the inside and outside diameter of a workpiece. This is your tri-square. Tri-square is used for measure the flatness of a workpiece. This one is your beam part and another is your blade part. Scriber. Scriber is used for mark a workpiece. This one is your marking tools. This one is punch. Punch is used for a marking instrument. It is measure the identification mark on a workpiece. It is a single point cutting tool. This cutting tool is used in a lathe machine. This tool is made of high speed steel. It's known as a drill bit. Drill bit is used for make a hole. This is your steel rule and steel rule is used for measuring instrument. It's known as your tap or die. This type of die or tap is used for internal threading or external thread cutting. It's known as a vernier height gauge. This height gauge is used for marking or measuring the instrument. It is a universal surface gauge and this gauge is used for in lathe machine in a centering purpose. This one is slide wrench, spanner and plier. This type of instrument is used for fitting purpose. This one is tachometer. Tachometer is used for measure the RPM of a motor.
Welcome to the refrigeration and air conditioning lab and machine dynamics lab. So this is window air conditioning test tube. Everybody know about the air conditioning system, that is known as AC. Everybody using the AC in our homes. Normally a human body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. When the outside temperature is more than the human body temperature, that time heat is transferred from the outside to the human body, so that a human body feel heat. That time a human body needs a thermal satisfaction. That satisfaction we got from the AC. AC is generally two types, window AC and split AC. So what is air conditioning system? Air conditioning system is a process of cooling and dehumidifying of the outside air. So let's see what are the parts of the air conditioning system. So this one is our air compressor of the air conditioning system, which plays a vital role of the total air conditioning system. Then we go for the condenser. This one is our condenser of the air conditioning system and this is the evaporator front part of the air conditioning system. Though it is a test strip, those all are the test equipments where we are getting the temperature and we are finding out the different degrees Celsius. This is another type of air conditioning test strip. This is known as your duct air conditioning test strip. This is our refrigeration cycle test strip. So what do you mean by refrigeration? Generally we know that heat flow from higher body temperature to lower body temperature. But heat cannot be flow from lower body temperature to higher body temperature. To flow the heat from lower body temperature to higher body temperature, we need an extra work done. And that work done happens in case of a refrigeration system. In the refrigeration system, the heat is extracted by the refrigerant from a normal atmospheric body. So the components for the refrigeration system are, this is the compressor of the refrigeration system, this is the condenser of the refrigeration system, and this is the evaporator of the refrigeration system. Evaporator is the place in which the heat is extracted. And because this is a test strip, those are the pressure gauge instrument and the temperature measurement. pump test rig. This is also a test rig. We know that refrigeration is used for the cooling purpose. Like the same thing, heat pump is used for the heat purpose. This is our ice plant test rig. When huge amount of ice is required, that time ice plant is required. This equipment is used to determine the critical speed of rotating shaft. Balancing apparatus, we measure the static and dynamics balance of from the apparatus. This is our universal governor apparatus. Everybody knows governor is used for the automobile purpose to control the speed of the automobile. This is gyroscope apparatus, or you can say that this is a motorized gyroscope. So generally in ship and aeroplane, gyroscope is used. For making cam profile, we are using the cam analysis apparatus. This is a metacentric height apparatus. We use this type of apparatus in case of our ship to measure the